This is the only In-N-Out smash burger recipe you need. Crispy, juicy, cheesy, and packed with flavors. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it at home for those of us who don't have it nearby. It will include secret sauce and caramelized onions. Yum! For those of you who love animal-style burgers, I got you covered. Hello my viewers, this is Zeni from Keep It Zeni, and today we are making the ultimate smash burgers, In-N-Out style. Let's get started. Caramelized onions. This is what makes an animal style burger so special. Warm up a skillet on medium-high heat, add some butter. Once the butter melts, add in onions and pinch of salt. Low and slow is the key here. We are cooking these onions till they are soft and golden brown. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes, so start early. Caramelized onions are done. Look at this golden brown color. After 15 minutes, I added a little bit of water so it doesn't burn. The entire process took 25 minutes on medium to low heat. We are starting with the classic In-N-Out sauce. For the sauce, you would need mayo, ketchup, relish. Make sure it's drained, sugar and vinegar. We will now mix these up. This sauce is what gives this burger its signature taste. Tangy, creamy and sweet. Mix it all up, put it in the refrigerator while we prep everything else. Now for the star of the show. The beef. I'm using 80% lean ground beef for that perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. We will season it with black pepper, ground mustard, onion powder and garlic powder. Here goes all the spices. Worcestershire sauce and some oil. Mix it well. I'm weighing the meat, so it's 4 ounces per patty. Check this out. Time to smash the burgers. Heat up a cast iron skillet or any other skillet on a very high heat. Once it's hot, add in some oil. This is the time we will add salt. We just need to cook it for 2 minutes, and before you flip over, we will add mustard paste right now for your animal style burger. At this time, right after you flip it, I will add the cheese, and as soon as the cheese melts, your patty is done. The cheese is melted and it's done. Let's build our burgers. I've toasted the buns on a griddle with a little bit of butter. Let's start building. That's the final step. I can't wait to try this. Spread a generous amount of the special sauce that we made earlier. Sauce goes on the bottom bun and the top one. Next up, pickles. However many you want. Let's do 3 for now, as I only have 3 here. Next up, tomatoes. And then lettuce. Now goes the patty and the signature caramelized onions. It sure takes a lot of time to caramelize the onions, but it's worth it. And the wait is over. Look at this masterpiece. Time for taste test, my favorite part. It's gonna be messy. Let's dig in. Oh my God, it's so delicious. That's why homemade is the way to go. Do try it out. If you do, I want to see your recreations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more delicious recipes. And as always, keep it Zeni. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna finish the whole burger. Oh my gosh. Amazing. That's it.